Begin with a subfloor that is clean, dry, and free of contaminants like paint, oil, or wax. Repair any defects, such as cracks, holes, or projections, to create a smooth, uniform surface. Measure and mark the center of the room, then snap chalk lines to establish a straight and balanced layout. Install copper grounding strips at designated grounding points. Use one ground strip for every 1,000 square feet of floor area, with a minimum of 2 per room to ensure a continuous path to ground. Apply conductive adhesive evenly using the recommended trowel size. Allow the adhesive to reach the proper tack before installing tiles. Place tiles carefully along the layout lines, maintaining tight seams and consistent alignment as you work outwards. Roll the installed tiles with a heavy floor roller to fully seat them into the adhesive. Allow adequate curing time before foot or equipment traffic. Once cured and grounded, test the floor to confirm proper electrical resistance and compliance with ESD requirements.